I'm gonna take a couple of close-ups. So maybe you can play with your hands a little bit, so hands near your face, very gentle. Perfect. So I always take a mixture of like close-ups, mid-body shots, full length. Yeah. For the video, did you have any ideas? Maybe something you'd like in the video?
I don't know, something flowy, like movement, maybe walking and like twirling.
Yeah, we can try that. Usually I like it when the model is like playing with her hair, moving, really flowy. It's good because it's gonna be
it could even be coming down the hill. Or
sounds good. Yeah. Actually, can I get a few video shots of you like putting the cloth down? I think it's gonna be nice if you like. Yeah, and maybe you can have the hat on you as well. Sounds good. Perfect. I'm just gonna keep doing it. I'll just change angle now. Smile, like really happy. Like the summer. Imagine like the virus is gone. You know, things are back to normal. That's great. Yeah, love it. Okay. What other props did you bring? Oh, nice. Glass. Oh, that's such a cute camera. Yeah. It's good. You bought a lemon? Wow. That's the first prop I've ever seen. Lemons. Nice.
I don't know, I've seen a few, like in a few little picnics.
Yeah, that's really cute. Love it.
Videos.
Alright, perfect. So I'll start with shots of you sitting down like that. That's perfect. I'll take from here. I'll start with the front and then we can do from the back afterwards. A couple shots. Yeah, just fix your hair and look at the camera. Beautiful. I'll just put the glass. I'm just gonna take a video now, so you can just keep playing with your hair. That's perfect. Perfect. Yeah, keep playing with your hair and then try to look away also. Maybe some hands on the legs also. Yeah. I'm gonna show you a bit. It looks really great. The lighting, very soft. Eyes to the camera. And maybe the book closer to your face, almost like you're hiding part of your face a little bit. Think really shy expression, smiley with the eyes. Perfect. Love it. Perfect. I'll take a small video with it. Just do the same thing. Love it. Can we get some close-ups? Yeah. I'll take a shot with the hat from the back, okay? And then we can remove it after. Yeah. So you can just look straight in front of you. That's good. Yeah. And with the hands maybe on the back also. Yeah, that's perfect. And maybe the legs on a side, a little bit on the side so we can see it. Yeah. Perfect, thank you. Perfect. Maybe try the legs, something like in front where you can lean your arms into it.
Well, I think it's raining.
Is it raining? Yeah, maybe a little bit. Yeah. That's perfect. You're doing great, Monica. I love it. Just keep doing what you're doing. I'm gonna do a video now. Nailing it, yeah. So same thing, but I'm just gonna get closer shot. Yeah. Perfect. I love it. For the editing style, did you have something specific in mind? Something you like? Like
maybe natural. Like I love natural lighting.
Okay.
Not too edited.
Gotcha.
That I don't recognize.
For sure, yeah.
Happened quite a lot.
Okay. Yeah. Well, for the editing, I like to keep it natural also. So.
Perfect. Yeah. No, your pictures are really great.
Thank you.
I really love the natural lighting. You don't really edit too much.
Yeah. Yeah. When you look at a picture and you see that it's edited, I don't like it already. So.
Yeah, it's happened a couple of times, and I was just like, can you just send me the original picture? Because I can't do anything with this picture. Like,
yeah. Gotcha. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. You can walk towards me. Perfect. Look on the side, twirl a little bit. Perfect. That's great. Let's do one more time. Lovely, very cute. I love it, yeah, hold that. Beautiful. Over here is nice.
Do you want me to go further in?
No, you don't need to.
Okay.
Just in front of here should be good. Just near this. Perfect. Yeah, twirl. That's great. Some flowy movements. Great. Look away. Look at the camera. Beautiful. Try with like hair in front of your face, and then I'll count to 3 and then you can put them behind, yeah. Okay, 1 second. So 3, 2, 1, go. And I'll zoom in on your bracelet and your watch also. Perfect. So you can move a little bit while focusing on your bracelet. And a little bit of your watch also. Flowy.
Yeah.
So a little bit of movement, it moves a lot, so I love it. Okay, so one sec. Okay. So I'll count to 3 and you can start walking towards me. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, make it flowy, make it move, yeah. You're nailing it. I love it, Monica. Yeah, play with your hair, that's great. A big twirl with a big smile. Yeah, imagine you're at the beach or something, somewhere exotic. Yeah, vacation. Perfect. You're nailing it. Perfect. We'll do that one more time for the video. You're doing really great, Monica. It doesn't look like you haven't done this in a while. Okay. Big twirl. I'm coming up. I'm coming up. Look at the camera with a smile. Yeah. Perfect. Think of all those hours you've worked. That's great. Perfect. We nailed it. Okay. Got it. Just show you.
So fun.
So I'll show you.
3, 2, 1, go.
Obviously, it's gonna be edited,
Yeah.
but the color's gonna pop so nicely with the smile. Yeah.
Perfect. Think of all those hours you worked. That's great.
Your voice for that.
Yeah, I'll leave it in the video. Okay. Is it okay if you want to do some sitting poses with this?
Yeah. Just maybe.
Yeah. Somewhere else. Yeah.
I think over there.
Yeah. Let's go there. What about if you sit by the tree there? Do you think it would be good? Like.
I think what you were saying before of sitting on the cliff.
Yeah.
Like with my knees up and my hands on my legs and you're down here.
Okay.
I can do
Yeah. Let's do that. Yeah.
But even the tree.
Yeah. Okay. Let's take a few since we're near the tree, and then we can move up the hill. Yeah. It's gonna look great. It's beautiful. I love it. Perfect. Let's have the legs more towards the camera and to the side also. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. I'll take a wide shot with the tree. That's great. Yeah. Perfect. Hands on your knees, maybe. Yeah. And get some close-ups. Yeah. Bring in your shoulder a little bit in. Yeah, the other one. Yeah, thank you. That's great. Yeah. And try looking into my right. This way. Yeah. Got it. Think of something when you go to the groceries you always buy, Monica. Must buy item. You're so good, Monica. Did you want to bring the stuff closer, or? Okay.
Do you want to do a little film of like me running up the hill?
Yeah.
And then turning around when I'm up there? And
Yeah, that's
sitting?
actually a very good idea. Yeah, let's do that. 1 sec.
I'm not a very good runner, but
It's okay.
I can do it.
Yeah. 1 sec. Okay. Okay, so I'll count to 3. 3, 2, 1, go. Perfect. Gotcha. Okay. Can we do that run one more time? Let's try to be something with something like this. Yeah, and the other one. Quick video. Shot. Show you a little bit, some couple ones from the back here, like where we see the view and everything, close ups also. Love it. Yeah, a lot of videos also. Yeah, I really love I love the navy dress. It's beautiful. Yeah, some white shots also, like you wanted. Yeah, with the dress, I love the movement. It was very flowy. You did a great job, Monica. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, I love this. It's gonna look awesome. Oh, I love this. Yeah.
Super cute. Ooh. Yeah, I even like the darker tone of it. Just makes it look just more sleek. And
yeah, when everything is fully bright, it's not fun.
Yeah,
it's good to have shadows from time to
definitely.
time. But even something like this, of like a profile shot looking, it's really cool. Yeah, I try to play with the leaves a little bit, but the lighting here wasn't great.
Yeah, because it's very
Yeah. I love your idea with the tray. It was great. I love it. Yeah, everything looks great. Thank you so much, Monica, for your time. Yeah.
So I don't know. Let me know. How do you